Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will see a Masterpiece Monday video, a Wanderlust Wednesday video, and a Fun Film Friday video. On Monday we'll be talking about the artist Thomas Sully and looking at his portrait of the torn hat. Your kids will then learn how to draw a portrait. Hint, the eyes are in the middle of the head. On Wednesday, we'll be traveling to the Pacific Northwest, and your kids will get to learn about these transformation masks that the Pacific Northwest natives are known for. They can make a bird into a bear, or a frog into a fly, or any other animal into any other animal. On Friday, we'll be talking about the movie Alexander and the terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day. And then we will take a quick trip to Australia because Alexander thinks that no bad days happen in Australia. And we will make our very own bearded dragon plant. The materials for all of these activities are listed below this video and they are on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.